and today I'm going to be showing you how I bake my Christmas shortbread cookies with candied cherries on top. You can get my full recipe at homebakedvegan.com, but let's go ahead and get started. How I bake my homemade vegan shortbread cookies. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Ask me any vegan baking questions or any other questions you have in the comments below, and I'll try and answer them in any upcoming videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next time.